everyone, I am Stacy Paulson and we are live in Facebook in my essential oil community group and then also on Instagram. So some of you are there. So that's why I'll be back and forth from different cameras, and we are in my bathroom. So this is day 2 of our essential oil cleaning or green cleaning week, and I'll be showing you some tips that you can use in your bathroom today that you can either make yourself or the DIY with your vinegars and baking sodas and things like that, or a couple of really quick things that you can just buy and make super fast. Hey Kristen, I see you there. Hello, as you're popping on. So in my bathroom, I wanted to show you some of the things that I do to keep it clean, and I'm kind of a clean freak. And if you didn't catch day 1, yesterday we were in the kitchen and I explained a little bit more of why green cleaning is so important. It's not just about being a tree hugger, it really is about our health. And so the chemicals that we are exposed to impact our health. You might not see it immediately. Some people see it immediately, especially with respiratory issues, but you might start seeing it through your skin with different rashes, eczema. The chemicals that we're exposed to can just build up over time. They can impact our hormones, our weight management. They can impact our kids, the people that we care most about. So, and then the other thing that I don't know if I talked much about was the quality of the air within our home. So those who use essential oils, oftentimes we're using them in a diffuser to help manage mood, be uplifting, to smell good, to purify the air from sickness. But do we think about the chemicals that are within our home that are being emitted from different products within our home? And so just cleaning up the air is part of Green Cleaning Week. So we're not going to be talking about diffusing in the bathroom because I don't often diffuse with the diffuser in my bathroom, but you can make it like a home spa. But I do use them a lot in other ways. So the green cleaning part, if you didn't catch this yesterday, the basic 2 green cleaners, especially for those who are busy and maybe you don't enjoy doing DIYs, that these are the 2 that you'll want to have. And these come just straight from doTERRA, so for those who have an account, you can just get them at wholesale and order these. And this is the foaming hand wash, and I just have these in every bathroom. You just pour this in, it makes 2 of them, pour it in your foaming hand wash dispenser and just pump. This has On Guard in it. The On Guard blend, if you're not familiar with that, there's been a lot of research with the oils that are in there that are helpful to fight those germs and bugs that we're exposed to. And it's not harmful to us. We're not putting more chemicals on our bodies. The other one that I love is this cleaning concentrate. I like that it's concentrate, so you're not using a whole lot of plastic. And you can make about 12 to 14 bottles of cleaners with this one concentrate. So we talked about the clean all everything cleaner that I use most, like on doorknobs, on counters, anything that's messy. We just use that, and all it is 2 tablespoons of this cleaning concentrate in 24 ounces in a spray bottle. But for the bathroom, this is my bathroom cleaner. So you'll want to use 3 tablespoons. You're going to make it a little more concentrated for the bathroom in 24 ounces of water. This is not 24 ounces. The 24 ounce are the bigger bottles. Oftentimes you see them in the plastic. You can get them at the dollar store, the big plastic ones. I recommend at some point getting glass so that we're avoiding the chemical exposure to plastics, but you can start off with plastics with your cleaning products and then graduate into the glass cleaners. If you don't want to buy these, you can get them on Amazon, oillife.com or romatools.com. You'll see them all over. But if you want to use just water bottles that you've had that are like the glass Perrier bottles, you can get the dollar store spray bottles and just take off the cap and put it on the bottle. It fits really well. So just 3 tablespoons of this in your spray, and this cleans your entire bathroom, your toilets, your sinks, your showers, all of that. If you haven't downloaded the Green Cleaning ebook, you'll see some other recipes in here that I'm going to go over. Not like the full details, but just show you some of the different products that you can make in your bathroom. One of the ones that I love to have, and this isn't just what you do in the bathroom, is often you take off your makeup, right? So for women, taking off your makeup can be hard to do, washing with soap, or you might have the cleaning wipes. And that's what we used to use, is the makeup removers. And then I started reading about the chemicals that are in there, and thought, hey, you know what, we could probably do something better. So these are just the cotton balls, and we need to make some more. We put some witch hazel in there, and then we have some different essential oils that we put in here. And they're phenomenal. Oh, and then the fractionated coconut oil. I have some somewhere. And then fractionated coconut oil. And I just store everything in mason jars. So I just found these really cheap. And you just take them out and take your makeup off. It leaves your skin phenomenally soft and smooth and gets the makeup off real easy. So that's a great cleaning tip. I like that one. My daughter uses it. She's a teenager, and I like her having clean products to use. In the ebook, there's shaving cream, there's essential bath time if you're taking a bath. You know, you can look in that. For the toilets, sometimes if you're not in a brand new house or you haven't maintained your toilets very well, you can get a buildup. And so one of the things that I like to have around are these cleaning pods that you can make. The recipe is right in there. And you can just drop it into your toilet and it will fizz up. And then there's just essential oils in there, and drop some lemon essential oil, whatever your other favorite citrus oils are. Let it kind of foam and fizzle and do its job, and then you can go ahead and scrub it. I also have a toilet bowl spray that you can mix up and just spray around if you want to spray in there and then clean it. This one works really, really well. Also, the recipe is in there. You probably heard of poopery. I don't really love the name, but poopery. So that's where you spray in the toilet before you go number 2 so that it doesn't smell. Especially when you have like guests coming over, it can be embarrassing for some people. You know, they just went to the bathroom and it just stinks. And oftentimes people will have chemical sprays in there to try to mask the smell. This works really well. It's our little deodorizing toilet spray. The recipe's in here. It's just lemongrass, grapefruit, bergamot. And then I like using either a little bit of witch hazel or rubbing alcohol. That helps the oils to stay within the water, because water and oil don't mix. So, but either way, you just want to shake it up, and then you spray it in the toilet before you go, and it absorbs those odors. So those are in all the bathrooms, really quick and easy to make. Some people will put a drop of lemon or purify different oil on the toilet paper roll, and it will diffuse within the bathroom. I haven't found that as effective as a deodorizing spray. Citrus oils also, they go quickly, so they dissipate quickly in the air, so it doesn't last very long if you're putting it on there. But for a quick fix, you could just on the cardboard roll within the toilet, put a drop or two on the toilet paper roll. We did the toilet pods. Then for a shower spray, so if you don't have soft water, you probably have a buildup of hard water in your shower, could be in your bathtub, so getting that off can be difficult. I like having, I don't know if I brought it up here, it's a shower spray that I keep in the shower, and you can just spray it off real quick before you get out of the shower. You can rub it down or squeegee it down, but even just spraying that mixture that's there, it's Melaleuca, which is great for breaking down the different chemicals. It's great for bacteria, bugs, and stuff. And then vinegar. And so that's a really simple one just to have as your shower spray. And you can get your kids in the routine of just spray it down. It makes it so much easier when you're going to do a full clean on your bathroom. Do you have any questions here? I see Bethany, lemongrass is my favorite to drop in the toilet. Yes, I love that one too. And actually I bought the foamy. Okay. If you have questions, you're welcome to comment there. If you're used to something like Comet, Ajax, the powder scouring cleanser, know that there is a recipe in there with borax, baking soda, citric acid, Epsom salt, and then lemon. And I didn't bring it up again, but you can put it in a mason jar and then just use a hammer and a screwdriver, and you poke holes in the top of it, and then you can sprinkle it in your bathroom, in your bathtub, on the tile, in the toilet, and then do your scrubbing with that. Just let it sit around. Or if you like the liquid, like the soft scrub, there's a one with liquid cast iron soap and baking soda, water, vinegar, and then lemon oil. If you go through the ebook, you'll see why these essential oils that we're using are so powerful and potent when we're doing cleaning. But lemon is one of the top cleaners. But it's not the smell of the lemon, it's the chemical constituents within the lemon. So oftentimes cleaners that we buy from the store, they smell like lemon, but they don't actually have lemon essential oil in them. Let's see. Okay, glass cleaner. And I found this at just Home Goods. There's fun little storage things, glass things that you can find at Home Goods or any, like the Goodwill or whatever. Just go look in the glass section. There's tons of things that you can use to put your cleaning products in. So glass cleaner, I love using this, especially if it's more of the hard water or you have water spots on there. But for my mirrors, basically all I use is a microfiber towel, and I will just get it wet with hot water, wring it out. I might put some lemon oil in there, and I just wipe them down. And that cloth in and of itself works really well to get the grime off there and doesn't leave any streaks, and so you don't have to use much of anything for cleaning that. But if you need to have a little more super duty, the glass cleaner, mirror cleaner is in here. I use just white vinegar and then rubbing alcohol and water in there, and then a lemon. And lemon breaks the things down on there. I use this a lot on the in and out door that goes back to our backyard, because that's where all the little kids' hands are. That's where I use this a lot, but it also is great in your bathroom. Okay, and then the last one is your makeup brushes. So I don't know how often you clean the brushes that you use to put on your makeup, but if you're consistently putting on makeup, which I do, unfortunately, that they can build up bacteria and germs, and I don't know how often you clean them, but there's a great recipe in here with using the cleaning concentrate and olive oil to clean your makeup brushes. So you could do that once a week. Oh, and the other thing that we also do is with our toothbrushes. If you'll just get On Guard, a little bit of water, and put the On Guard oil in there, and you can just soak your toothbrushes in there, just kind of mix it up a little bit. You'll see all the gunk come out of those toothbrushes, and that's something that easy you can do overnight once a week. Just have a glass of water, put your oils in there. And you see that I keep a lot of oils that we use here in the bathroom. So for any needs that we have physically, emotionally, going in the bath, you want to diffuse something while you're taking a shower. So if there's no questions, or I'd love to hear other ideas or recipes that you guys use. We'll be posting the recording in the group and online so that you can catch that. If you need to share it with friends, you're welcome to do that. And for those who haven't gotten started, what I recommend is the top 10 oils, which comes in the Home Essentials kit. It also comes with a diffuser. And then I recommend adding at least the cleaning concentrate to that. And then you have all the oils that we use from the Green Cleaning ebook right there on hand. And then you'll also use them for emotional support,